Good morning. Welcome to Style and Can I help you, please? Hello, yes. I am looking for a formal shirt for a job interview. Of course, we have many options. What colors do you prefer? White, light blue, or gray? I think unlike blue one is nice. Does it have a pocket? No, I don't. This is a slim, fit model. It's very modern. What size are you? Small, medium, or large? I am size medium. Can I see it? Sure. Here is it is heat quality. It's perfect. How much it is? The shirt is $45. Okay, that's a good price. But I also need some new shows. Do you sell brown later shows? Yes, why do? Look at they over here. They match perfectly with the blue shirt. They look very elegant. How much are they? Their shirts are $120. Oh, they are a bit excessive. Do you offer a discount if buy the shirt and the shoes today? Let me check my computer. Yes, today we have a special promotion. If you buy both, you get a 50% discount off the total. That's excellent. I'll take the medium blue shirt and the brown shorts in size 10. Great choice, Alejandro. Anything else? Maybe some black shocks on a belt. No thanks. That's all for today. Perfect. Cash or credit card? Credit card, please. Okay. Please insert your card here and tip your pink. Bring everything is ready. Here are your close tip and your receipt. Thank you very much for your help, Aaron. You're welcome. I await today and will lucky wait your interview. Thanks. Goodbye.